What's up everyone, it's Ryan with Heat Press Nation. If you've ever felt that printing on Siser EasySubli vinyl offers mixed results with Sublijet-UHD supplied Sawgrass printers, perhaps you need to use both in a different way. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use EasySubli vinyl as a sublimation layer on a cotton or colored apparel, along with how Sublijet-UHD prints can appear at its clearest on EasySubli vinyl. Before we get right into the process, let's take a closer look at how Sublijet-UHD looks when printed directly on EasySubli vinyl. You'll notice that while colors appear vibrant, the lighter portions of the transfer appear slightly grainy. This is due to dyes having outgassed themselves across the vinyl when applied. Now compare this shirt with another EasySubli and Sublijet-UHD shirt, which looks close, but is ultimately cleaner looking compared to the other. But how exactly did this shirt manage to get such a great sublimation transfer? Basically, the EasySubli vinyl is cut with the shape of the design, while the design itself is printed normally on sublimation paper. This way, the transfer can be applied onto the cotton shirt once the EasySubli vinyl cut has been pressed. Consider how Sublijet-UHD is best optimized for sublimation paper. The colors that result in applying transfers in this way appear as great as they do on any sublimation blank. First, import your graphic of choice onto your cutting software. Then, print the graphic without registration marks through Sawgrass Print Manager. Make sure to use the following settings: substrate set to polyester, paper set to the profile closest to your paper, and check the mirror option. With these settings ready, go ahead and print the graphic. We should note that depending on your cutting software, you may need to print first before tracing, as your trace outlines may appear on the printed transfer. Once the transfer has been printed, simply trim around the graphic with a pair of scissors. Now we're ready to apply it onto a layer of EasySubli vinyl. Next up is to cut the vinyl with the traced outlines. If you'd like to make aligning the transfer easier, and you don't mind a white border around the graphic, you can create an offset line based on your trace that'll give you more room to place your transfer on the vinyl. Before cutting the outline, be sure to select only your offset outlines to cut. Then change the settings on Silhouette Studio. Material set to heat transfer smooth, the blade set to 3, force to 6, and the speed to 8. Once ready, click the Send button. Then click Send As Is to start cutting. As a brief note, you can also contour cut your printed transfer, but be sure to flip your graphic horizontally in the cutting software and disable Mirror on Sawgrass Print Manager. This way, the cutter can read the printer's registration marks. And before cutting your printed transfer, we recommend setting the material to copy paper medium when working with printer paper. With the vinyl now cut, prepare it by weeding and masking it out of its carrier sheet. Let's turn on the heat press and set it to the regular EasySubli setting of 15 seconds at 311 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once your machine reaches temperature, place your apparel on the lower platen. Then place and center your transfer onto it. Cover it with parchment paper, then press. When your machine is done, open it and peel off the EasySubli mask while it's hot. Allow the EasySubli vinyl to cool down for a moment. While doing so, you can set your machine to 50 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for applying the printed transfer, staying at medium pressure. With the vinyl now cool, carefully place your transfer facing towards it, taping it in place to prevent shifting. Cover it with fresh parchment paper, then press. Once the time reaches 0, open your machine and briefly allow the transfer to cool down. Afterwards, peel it off quickly, and your Sublijet-UHD transfer has now cleanly applied onto your EasySubli vinyl cut. For the best results, we recommend opening your machine right after the 50 seconds have passed. To learn more about Siser and Sawgrass products, please visit us at our website, heatpressnation.com. For any questions or help, you can get in touch with a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. This is Ryan with Heat Press Nation. Take care.